Good morning, Suranita.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, Suranita?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
It's a very looks like a very nice name. What do you mean
Yes.
that is Suranita? What is the meaning of Suranita?
Uh, its meaning is a creation of God.
Shuro is stand for like something.
God. Yes,
Okay.
Sur means music, and also in Bengali, Sur means God.
Okay. You are from Bengal. You are staying
Yes.
in Kolkata currently.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So just I feel something different from other resume. I was going through I think 100 resume. I found your resume is something completely different. Why complete different? It looks like you're working in a central government, post office, correct? Postmaster,
Yes, sir.
and you're working in
Yes.
full time,
Yes.
okay? But tell me, in India, everybody has a dream to enter post office and working in central government. But you are working in that such a dream place, central government as a full time as a postmaster, even working 13 years. Why you want to change into data science career?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have been working in post office for the last 7.5 years. Before
Okay.
that, I was also working in some data fields.
Mm,
Yeah, I used to work in private companies in data fields. Then I
mm,
switched to post office. Also, I have to work here with data and analytics.
mm.
But somehow I want to work with more data. That much exposure of data is not possible in post office. That's
Exactly.
why I want to switch my career to the data field again.
Okay. So right now you have a kids, you have a
Yes,
family, you have a job. How will be like managing your day-to-day life? It's not tough, or how you're managing?
yes.
How I feel that you are relaxed in your job and everything.
Uh, Not relaxed actually. It's very difficult to manage the family now because of my kid. And actually, my mother-in-law helps me a lot in managing my kid.
Yeah,
And
still, yeah, of course, kid is there, many people will be helping us, family is going to help. But still, working in 9 hour and self-learning and attending interview, it's not tougher for you.
yes,
Okay.
everything is tough in this world, but we
Okay.
have to
Still,
manage
still you are
everything.
searching to, you are ready to take a challenging role. That is really
Yes,
appreciate you. That is really, I'm actually appreciating your effort. So yeah, good.
thank you, sir.
So meet my team. They want to know about your more. As you know, this is a we are going to hire you as a lead. This is a assistant manager role. As you have a 12-year experience, 13-year experience. So we are looking mostly you are going to manage a team with independently. The team size is going to more than 30 team size member. So do you have any team handling experience right now or previously?
Not previously, but in post office, I have to manage many people because
Okay.
I have to communicate with my higher authority as well as in our head office. Under our head office, there are 33 sub offices. So we have to keep liaison with all 33 offices daily to get them report by time. So, and also in our head office, I have to manage postmen and other people so
Okay.
that the works are done in timeline.
Okay.
So
So
that
under
much of
you also
experience.
you already have experience into team handling, client interaction,
Yes,
stakeholder
yes,
interaction, also your team reporting management. Okay, excellent, very nice.
yes.
We are looking same profile. So excellent, Suranita. Can you bit elaborate your role and responsibility? What you exactly you are doing? Your project, as you mentioned, your data management. Can you bit elaborate your daily task from your introduction?
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity for introducing myself. I am Sharnita Chatterjee, as you all know, and work. I have been working in post office for the last 7.5 years, and I have to work in Excel and SQL most. So my day-to-day task is, first I have to interact with my higher management team. So I need to know about their daily requirements. Most of the day, the daily requirements are the same, like what is the account opening report and the revenue generation report. And also we in post office, we have the two section. The first one is the financial system, and other one is the mail delivery system. And also we have to, the management needs the report of mail delivery system. So we need to interact with the sub offices to get the reports, to get the daily reports. So by end of the day, they all send the reports by mail. So every day I have to check the mails and get the reports from those sub offices and merge them into one report, and do some cleaning activities on that. Like there are some missing values and some inconsistency, incompleteness in that data. So I have to clean those data, and then I uh, I load them in SQL, and sometimes also there are data in SQL, so I have to extract them, clean them, and make reports on that, and send to our uh, higher authority. That's all. And I have to also uh, check with the sub offices that where is they are lagging behind, and I have to let them know the reports that uh, what's the comments of the higher authority.
So when you are telling I'm managing a lot of data, giving insight, report, building data management to the team, to the some internal stakeholder client, when it is data management and data quality, how will define yourself? Data management and data quality.
Data management is the process of total collection of the data, cleaning the data, organizing it, and visualizing it and store it for the future use. And data quality is to get proper insights from the data. We must have the proper healthy data, that is consistent data. There should not be any incompleteness or inconsistency. So that is the quality of the data.
Okay, so you mean the data we are collecting massive amount of data for organization to enhancing,
Yes.
to improving, to do making better quality. We are applying the data dimension, I mean data quality dimension. We are following to improving the data. Okay, nice. So do you have any knowledge on Microsoft database?
Yes, I have knowledge of Microsoft SQL. Sorry.
Microsoft SQL. Which version of SQL you are using right now?
It's 2014,
2000.
Microsoft SQL 14.
Okay, Microsoft 14. So right now we are using Teradata here, and you are using Microsoft. How will manage the Microsoft database and we are using Teradata? How do you manage from different platform?
As per I know that all the SQL queries are somehow more or less the same. So if you are using Teradata, I can learn it by myself.
Okay. As you know, 95% are almost same
Yes,
coding.
yes,
And
in
okay,
95% on the same coding.
okay, excellent. So, what is SQL subquery and how it is different from SQL join?
Subquery is like nested query. It is a query between one select query, and join is like combining the two tables, the
Hmm.
result of the two tables. It is like join. And also the subquery is in subquery we can give some conditions within the select command.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between SQL delete, drunk, and trumpet?
Well, delete is a data manipulation language query. Delete is used to delete a particular data from the database, and we can roll back it. But for truncate and drop, we cannot roll back it, and drop is to completely drop the data and the structure of the table from the database, and truncate is just deleting all the data but the structure remains, and we cannot roll back the truncate and drop.
Okay. What is SQL set operator and what are the different set operator?
SQL set operators are used to combine the results of two or more select queries. And pardon sir, but there are many types of set operators like union, union on, intersect, and minus.
Okay. What is SQL constant and what are the different SQL constant you are,
SQL constants are the rule or restriction enforced on the column or the total table
Mm.
that is used to restrict the data from mm, entering into the table. It restrict to enter the not invalid data from if user cannot enter invalid data with due to these restrictions.
Okay. And what are the different constant?
Different constants are a primary key and unique key, not null, default, check. These are different types of constants.
Okay. What is the maximum size of data we can store in Microsoft Excel?
It's yeah, it's about 10 lakh. I cannot
Okay.
exactly
Okay.
remember the
Okay.
figure.
10 lakhs. Okay. 10 lakhs. So tell me, as you know, we are using Microsoft Excel, Microsoft SQL. Okay. Both are storing the data, managing the data. What is the difference between Excel and a database SQL? How will different the main difference?
The first thing is like in Excel there is limited data, but in database we can store unlimited data, and
Mm.
this is the main
The size of a data is
difference.
fine,
The
but
size of the
what is the main difference? Like in Excel, we can do what, and SQL, what we cannot do.
in Excel also we can do visualization. What
Okay, the
we
main
can
difference
prepare
you can say, yeah,
chart,
yeah. In
but
Excel,
in
you
a
can do data.
database we cannot want to do that
Okay.
visualization
What
portion.
is the VLOOKUP formula?
VLOOKUP is a formula like equal to VLOOKUP, the lookup value, then table array, then the column number, and then the argument that is true or false.
Okay. You have a knowledge on data visualization tool, any visualization tool?
Yes, I have a knowledge of Tableau.
Tableau. Tell me why somebody, prefer Tableau. What are the advantages? Why somebody will use Tableau? Why not other
There
BI
are
tool?
Yes, there are many BI tools available in the market, but Tableau is have some advantages because it is more faster. It is very fast tool. It can connect to a database within a second. It is 10 to 100 times faster than other available tools available in the market, and it can connect to 70 plus databases, 70 plus database
Data
type.
sources.
It
Yeah.
can data sources, and it can handle a lot of data. It can handle huge data. It can refresh the data automatically. We don't need to think about the refreshment of the data again and again. It can make the main thing is that there is no programming knowledge is required. Any non-technical person can make the
Correct.
dashboard by
Hmm.
using the drag and drop facility, and we can make the interactive dashboard, smart dashboard within a second, and we can publish it very easily.
Okay. What is show me in Tableau?
Show me is showing the different types of data visualization and chart available for the data we have. There are 24 types of
Chart and graph, but
chart
that
and
will
graph available,
compatible one. It will
but
show the
yes, which one is compatible for the current data? it will show only that chart and graph option.
What is Tableau hierarchy or drill down?
Hierarchy drill down is to drill down the data to the granular level. Like if we have sales report by year, we can drill down to it to the month, day, quarter wise, even day wise report. We can drill down the data.
Exactly, exactly. What are the different data types in Tableau available, and how it will be data type is different from database?
There are 7 data types. First one is Boolean, then integer, then string or text, geographical, and integer, Boolean, geographical database, text database, and actually in Tableau from the database data source, it automatically gets the data type. But in database, we have to mention the data type. And
Okay. So as you mentioned, like you were telling, collecting data, a lot of data from internal and external source. What are the internal source till now you know you are using an external source? Can you give examples?
in post office, we mostly work with the internal data. Internal data like the different sub offices sending their reports, delivery, mail delivery report and account opening reports.
Hmm.
These are our, we can say, our
Internal
internal
data.
data.
Exactly.
And also we have to manage our employee database. That is also our internal data. We rarely interact with the outside data.
Okay. So Suranita, assume that you joined a new team and a new project,
Mm.
and you are the only one team member. Tell me, what is your first step to the organization will do? We are a company going to suppose hire you. We don't have any team member in data management, data analysis, data science. You are the first person coming here. What is your next step, further steps?
I have to understand the business requirements first. It is what our business requires, and I will try to figure out which type of data I need. I have to interact with different stakeholders, and I have to create a map that which type of data I need from which sources, and I have to interact with the management, higher management, that is this type of data I need.
Mm. Okay. So what we're expecting from us once we're going to select, what do you expect from us?
I will expect that I will give my 100%, and also company will help me to grow more.
Okay. Grow is like how, what is that grow?
In my personal skills, and also in case of compensation.
Okay. How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I want to see myself and managing a senior position with a lot of important responsibilities. I am managing with them.
Okay, nice. Suranita, any question for us? Like we are okay for your profile. Okay, so do you have any question for us?
Mm. When I can hear from you next?
Yeah, one more round is there. This is the technical round we are covering, but one more round will be there that the client is saying. Yeah, before that, I want to need to understand. As you know, you are managing a lot of data into financial data and also bank data, post office. Do you have a knowledge of data governance?
A little bit of knowledge of data governance, but I didn't have worked with data governance.
Okay. you can able to understand the data governance, data quality, data lineage,
Yes.
metadata concept, master data management. You can understand the terminology, correct?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Students, we are okay. So we are going to take further step. So our HR will get back for what we can do the consider for next step. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a
Thank you,
good day.
sir.